how to cancel a Remitly transaction. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can cancel your Remitly transaction, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to dispute a transaction that you made, you can still do that. Now to do this, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the Remitly app. Now if you've made any transaction, then you have to simply select the transfer history from the top of the menu. Once you select transfer history from the top of the menu, you have to just select the transfer that you'd basically like to cancel on the recipient tab. So select the transfer that you'd like to cancel. You have to select the view receipt button. Once you go to the bottom of the screen, you have to select the option called cancel your transfer. Choose the option to cancel the transfer and select the reason for your cancellation, then choose the submit button. Now the another important thing to keep in mind over here is that there's no guarantee that you're going to get your money refunded back into your account, because Remitly has a very strong base on this one. Remitly is only acting as a payment transfer. It has nothing to do with the politics between you and the other partners, so that is why they don't really care. If you would think that you're eligible, they can give it a shot, give it a try, and then cancel and just try to submit the application. If Remitly thinks that you're valid, then they might refund the money, or else you just need to let it be. So hope this video helped you understand the question as to how you can cancel a Remitly transaction. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.